So, there's a new scammer in town and his name is creating a livestream with a famous entity to get trust and then scam newbies into giving them cryptos for free. I should have thought about a shorter name beforehand. But this video isn't about my creativity, this video is about the creativity of the scammers. So, do you want to make $2,000 an hour by ripping off clueless crypto newbies? No problem, here's your tutorial. First step, create a YouTube channel. Or even better, you hack a YouTube profile. Preferably one of those who put years of effort into their channel. The more subscribers, the better. Like this dude, a fucking barber from Mexico. He doesn't know anything about two-step authentication password security. He cuts hair. So let's fucking hack his 100k sub YouTube channel. Or this dude, Roth Weldon, who makes ASMR smoking videos, I guess? In fact, there are dozens, if not hundreds of profiles in hackers' hands that could potentially become one of those scam channels. Next step, let them look like official big company channels, like Elon Musk, or Binance English, or Ledger Official. But of course leave little hints that this profile might be hacked if you look deeper into it. But of course people are too lazy to do that, so for example they overlook that the official Ledger Wallet YouTube channel has a playlist called Game Idiot. That's very unprofessional, Ledger people. Or Elon Musk's official channel has a playlist called Horror Games. I mean, Elon, we all know you're cool and shit, but a horror game playlist? Come on. Final step is to set up a website via Telegraph or some other simple website tool where you can make everything look official. Oh look, there's even a picture of this Asian Binance dude. Add your Bitcoin, Ether, or even your fucking Ripple address to it. Bonus points for adding fake comments from fake or hacked profiles like, I just received 1 Bitcoin, thank you Elon. It works, I just got 280 Ether after sending 140. Thanks man, I got 50 Ether from Elon himself. Dude, Joshua, trust me, this man has a whole lot of shit better to do than sending you a piece of his wealth. He'd rather shoot it up to Mars, literally.
I think this is a reflection of how, like...
Don't forget to point out for the idiots, for every coin sent, you will get 10 in return. Yes, 10 times of what you invested you will get back. I mean, what are the chances that something like this exists in the modern world? Oh my god, sounds too good to be true, huh? Well, for the scammers it does. Look, 10,000 Ripple here, 0.2 Bitcoin there, and 10 Ether into their pockets. And I know, you crypto experts sitting in front of your screen thinking, how can anyone send Bitcoin there? Believe it or not, there are people that are new in the field that have not as much experience as you in the crypto world, and technically, if your name is not Satoshi Nakamoto or Craig Wright, well, even you must have been at this point where you potentially could have fallen into this scam because you didn't have enough knowledge about the crypto space or scam space or YouTube or whatever the thing is. So you can either be an arrogant prick about it and say, if you are that stupid to send Bitcoin to this, you deserve it. Or you can try to help others learning about this. So that's what I'm trying to do, even if I'm an arrogant prick too, especially towards Elon Musk. But hey, nobody's perfect. So, since I'm not scamming people but still have to pay off my student loan, feel free to leave a tip to one of my addresses. And it's not a scam because I'm telling you right here, you won't get anything back except for my relentless love. Now isn't that something?